Hi, colleagues. I am
Hi.
Nagedi Skodong, Senior Education Specialist in Physical Sciences. The purpose of today's meeting is to introduce you to the use of apps in teaching and learning. Colleagues, things have changed due to the pandemic. Thereof, we have to have our classes wherever we are. So it's very important that we need to understand that the use of apps are going to make our teaching and learning effective. Let's see why apps are to be used. The apps promotes transformation of teaching and learning. It develops effective technology integration in teaching and learning. The apps intertwine technology, pedagogical, and content knowledge, promotes teaching and learning anytime and anywhere, and apps create interactive ICT classroom environment. That means no more boring classes. So now, colleagues, the other thing that I like to share with you in terms of apps is the app that I want to share with you is Padlet. Let's look at Padlet as one of the examples of the apps that one can use. Padlet is a community-centered internet application that allows users to easily express their thoughts on a common topic and read what others have to say. Padlet is essentially a virtual bulletin board in which collaborators, being us and our learners or the community, can simultaneously create and organize posts of any content type, whether it be text, document, images, videos, audio, or links. Teacher can use the app to engage with learners by posting school relevant text, documents or videos, written work, whatever. In my understanding, Padlet is an online classroom environment that not only enables student-teacher collaboration, but also allows students to engage on topics of common interest, much like in a physical classroom. So this is an example of one of the apps. I just give an example in terms of Padlet. So for any app, you need to download it. How do you download the app in order for you to be able to use it? You go to the search engine thereof, go to HTTP. If it is Padlet, then it will say /padlet.com. There you are, you click on login or sign up. The procedure is just simple thereof in terms of all the apps thereof. So you can see that there is a background noise. I'm sorry about this. I don't know what is it because around me there is no. May you please switch off your videos or your mic, mute your mics so that there mustn't be any interference in my presentation. All right. So now, the practical application for Padlet, like in any other app thereof, their practical application where this app can be used. We can use Padlet to brainstorm, information sharing, collaborative learning, reflection, showcasing, warm-up exercises thereof. And mind you, the other important thing in terms of this, every app has got its own practical application, but mostly it simplifies teaching and learning takes place wherever you are. So the technology integration thereof, so SAMR, substitution, augmentation, redemption, and modification thereof, it modifies our classroom thereof. So now, colleagues, let's go again in in sharing something very important in terms of our apps thereof. Mind you, the apps thereof, I said, why are we using the apps? I said, I've given you an example in terms of Padlet. Padlet is not the only app thereof. There are many thousands and thousands of apps that you can go and interact with them. You'll find that each and every app has got its own interesting applications that you can use in teaching and learning. These are the few other interactive apps that you can use thereof. Diksha, Slack, CISO, you name them. There are many thereof. Let's look at the few ones that I'm having here as an example. The Diksha thereof. Everyone, it has its own features, how it can help you to modify and improve your teaching and learning thereof. So the app features are this one. So you can see, colleagues, that it's very important that we need to embrace the technology in our teaching and learning on an everyday basis and to engage with our learners thereof. Giving an example in terms of our subjects, it means our learners can interact in different learning strategies that they can employ as they are using these apps thereof. So we will continue next time as we engage deeper and deeper into these apps. The assignment that I'm giving you, something that you have to just go and explore on these apps thereof, so that when we meet again, we'll be able to share what one got from each and every app that the educator was exploring. Thank you, colleagues. With this little information that I shared with you. Next time when we organize another meeting for sharing thereof, we'll be coming as a team, we'll be coming to help one another in understanding and using these apps in our teaching and learning. I thank you and bye-bye.